Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, Launcher iOS 16, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, choose while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. And after that, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. So swipe and click. Now choose iOS Launcher by clicking on it. Tap on Always and choose Got it! As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to switch between your layouts, go into Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications, select Advanced, and click on Default Apps. Over here, you need to click on Home app and tap on Moto Launcher or iOS One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!